This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy lorShift back at it again with another banger video, man. We do not have my camera right now. I'm using my phone for the video at the moment. As you can see, we got the Tandy Mobile Scat Pack sitting pretty behind me. And in today's video, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, we will have my boy Matthew doing a POV drive in a big 392 Scat Pack Chally, sliding every corner, y'all. So I'm gonna give the phone to Matthew. I'm gonna give the car to Matthew. He's gonna be getting busy at every corner. So if y'all wanna see him go crazy, make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned until the end of the video and get me to 50K subscribers and I will buy a Hellcat. We're gonna hurry up and get started, man, because it's hot out here. The sun is beaming on my head right now. And let's get to it. Let's turn it to Matthew in 3, 2, 1. What's good, y'all? It's Matthew, man. We back at it. I don't know where lorShift is at, but we're gonna hurry up and get started with this video, man. Like he said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be getting bendy at every corner, y'all. I'm gonna go crazy this video. This is not like the RT video, y'all. This is the big Scatty now, man. We really getting bendy. Stay tuned to the end. Hit that bell before you continue on with the video. Pause the video right now. Hit that bell. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and get lorShift to 50K subs. And I promise y'all, he told me he gonna buy a Hellcat, so I'm gonna convince him to get a red eye. So get him to 50K subs. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, y'all. So we're gonna hurry up and get in this bad boy. Let me give y'all a little walk around real quick. The red eye hood, we got the Hellcat front end, damn near fully wrapped, y'all. We getting somewhere, y'all. We got a fat ass booty. Oh my God, that's RT on the, oh my God. Yellow brakes. This thing looking real crazy, y'all. We got a striker, y'all. We took lorShift's car, man. Anyways, we're gonna hurry up and get to it, man. Y'all got a little walk around. Let's get a little start up and then we're gonna get into the car, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so before we actually get started, y'all know we got to go into sport mode, right? Hold that traction button off. Hold that button off, y'all. Once you see off, then you're green. So as you can see, we need some gas. So we are going to make our way to the gas station. Gotta make sure Officer Adams not around, y'all. Just to make the video a little bit more interesting, I might skip it a little bit, you know, throughout the video, just so y'all can see different portions of me spinning the corners and driving like that. Like I said, I don't know where lorShift is, but we took his car, man. We got us a striker, y'all. All right, y'all, we gonna skip to the part where we actually go crazy. So stay tuned, because we're not done. And we gonna get started with the second one, man. This is gonna be a good one right here. Let's get it. Just gotta make sure Officer Adams ain't around. Oh my God. All right, y'all, we back, man. Matthew back and better than ever, man. Let's get it. In sport mode, as you can see, once again, traction off, AC off. Now let's get bendy. Oh my God. We're gonna try and drift out of here, but we got some oncoming traffic. We're gonna see what we can do, y'all. Oh my goodness. Swung that bitch. Swung that bitch. Let's get it, y'all. Turn me up. In front of a military base. In front of a military base. Let's get it. Make sure Officer Adams ain't back there creeping up. I think we got this, y'all. What y'all think? I think we got it. I like that. I like that. I like that. Getting angry. Let's get it, y'all. I think that was my last one though. I think I might retire. I may throw a little highway POV in this a little bit, man, just to make it a little longer. But I ain't gonna go too crazy with the drifts. You feel me? Officer Adams is outside. So in that case, I'm not gonna, like, you feel me, draw, but I got a decent amount of drifts in, so if y'all want a part 2, just let me know, and I got y'all with a part 2. But as of right now, this is what we gonna stay with, man. We gonna chill out, we gonna go home. I'm gonna edit this video, and I'm not trying to go to jail, so we gonna end off like this. If y'all enjoyed this, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Once again, I do not know where lorShift is. This is Matthew, but yeah, y'all, hopefully y'all enjoyed this joint, man. I would spend one more time real quick, but we in front of a church. I don't want, you feel me? That's a little disrespectful. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. It's your boy Matthew. We out. Enjoy the highway POV if I add it in here. like I said, y'all, let me know if y'all want a part 2 to this video. If y'all enjoyed it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. There ain't really that much I could really do out here, like I said, because Officer Adams is outside. So I don't want to get, you know, caught up and stuff. But if y'all want a part 2, I promise y'all, I'm gonna go even harder on part 2, man. I'm gonna really get benty, and I'm gonna do it in the hood too. So just let me know, man. But that was a little highway POV for y'all. This your boy Lord Bender, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video.
Simple as that.